Hey, welcome back to my channel, Dash of Luxe. If you're new here, I talk about all things luxury, things that make us feel wonderful and beautiful. That's my jam. I just wanted to come on really quickly and share with you my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. I picked up the key pouch in the small size as well as the medium size, but the medium one hasn't arrived yet. So I just wanted to unbox the small key pouch, give you my first impressions, and then do a little bit of a review. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, let's get right into the unboxing. And there it is with the dust bag inside. And there she is. The monogram key pouch comes in 4 sizes. The original size, small, medium, and large. So I took a minute to look it over and it looks pretty good. And my first impressions are that I really like it. The coated canvas does feel a bit thinner than all of my other accessories from Louis Vuitton, but I don't mind that because it makes it feel really lightweight. I don't think you would want a key pouch that was heavy. Let us just look at it in more detail. So this is different from the regular key pouch because on the inside it has this little slit pocket in the back of it. I'll pull this out so you can see it a little better. So it has this little pocket for probably like cards, I would think. And it seems very, very spacious. The zipper pull seems very smooth. And it has the LV insignia on the zipper pull. And this is what the chain with hook looks like. On both sides it has LV right there at the top. Now I don't have a regular Louis Vuitton key pouch, but just from my impression of this, I feel like this chain right here, it just feels a little less substantial. It just kind of sounds a little cheapy in my opinion, but the hook closure seems okay. It seems like it's pretty good quality. So it took me a minute to figure out how to open it. So to open the hook, you just pull it up and then swing it out and it opens. And to close it, you just swing it back, pull it up again and close it. So I ordered this online on LouisVuitton.com about a week and a half ago, and I just got it yesterday. My medium pouch is still pending, and I called client services and they told me it takes like 15 to 21 days to fulfill that order. I'm not sure why it takes so long, but I'll be getting it hopefully sometime soon, and I'll do a review of that and also a comparison against this size. But right now I'll just compare it to a couple of other items so that you can get an idea of how big this is, and I'll also show you what fits inside so you can see how roomy it is. So the dimensions are 5.9 inches across, 3.5 inches high, and then 0.4 inches deep. And so when I first saw this on the website, I immediately thought it would probably be the same size as a mini pochette. And so let me grab that. So this is my mini pochette in Damier Ebene, and as you can see, they are very comparable in size. The mini pochette is a little bit deeper. So of course the mini pochette is a little bigger, but they are very, very similar in size. And considering that the mini pochette is $760 and this is only $365 and they're so close in size, I would say if you're considering getting a mini pochette but don't want to spend the money, this is definitely a good alternative. So I don't have a Louis Vuitton, the regular cliquet, but I have this one. I think the Louis Vuitton Key Clay is just a little bit wider than this, but you know, for comparison's sake, I just wanted to give you an idea of what a Key Clay look like up against the small Key Pouch. And you can see there is a considerable size difference. So because it has this little D-ring, you can of course put your keys on it, or you could hook it inside of a handbag that has a D-ring. So like for example, my Neverfull has a little ring inside, so I could just like hook this onto this and just have it in there like this. So let's take a look at what fits inside. I will probably be using this for a little catch-all similar to how I use my mini pochette. So I have this card holder and that fits inside. If you wanted to organize this a little more, you can use this for your cards and your cash, put it inside. My Key Clay fits inside. I mean, I wouldn't carry it like this because I don't think I would be carrying a Key Clay inside of a Key Clay. Of course, my Android phone does not fit inside. Passport, let's see if it fits. Nope, doesn't fit. My Touchland hand sanitizer fits. Keys, of course. So you could put your keys inside, or you can attach your keys on the outside, of course, so that you could have more room on the inside for other things. And then of course all of the little things that you might put inside of like a cosmetic bag, which you could use this for. So like lotion, little travel perfume, lipstick. Let's see if this pin fits. The pin might fit if I took out some of these other items. Let's see. Yeah, a pin, like a small size pin, does fit. So that's just an idea of what can fit inside of here. The other thing that I also discovered is that on this side of the zipper there's a little bit of an opening. So if you had like a really small thin strap, you could probably turn this into like a crossbody or, you know, shoulder bag or something. And I actually have this, strap off of my phone holder case. So let's see if that will fit. Now I wouldn't recommend doing this all the time because there's such a small space that I wouldn't want to damage the pouch, but I'm just curious to see how that would work. So I pulled this out and I'm just going to stuff this side down in there. There's this little ring on the inside right there, if you can see that I would probably hook it onto. And it's pretty secure, so it's not gonna fall out. And I just turned this into a little crossbody bag. So just an idea. Like I always say, we spend a lot of money on these things, so we might as well figure out lots of different ways to use it. So I'm really happy with this size. I wasn't sure if I wanted this size or if I wanted the medium one, so I decided to just get them both. But if I had just purchased this one, I would be very happy. And I'm glad I got it when I did, because when you go on the website to purchase it, it says to contact your client, a client advisor. So I'm not sure if they're sold out, if they're coming back in stock, if they're limited in number. I'm not sure. But if you're interested in it, it's worth calling the client services number, or I'm going into the store to see if they have some. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.